Jesus, 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 Jesus. I love to praise your name. I love to live you.
Hey, you wanna fight with us? You big dogs, you don't fight the wolves. No hat, it's in my backpack. Hey, you brought your game to school. If I play the game, you was heated when you see me. I always kept it cool. I always kept it cool.
So I'm back home, hanging out with my friends, Eden and Taryn.
So how are you guys doing?
Good.
Eden starts coughing directly into my mouth.
Oh my god.
I cannot breathe.
Did you just cough?
There was something in my throat.
I'm having a panic. Eden is coughing in my mouth. Taryn starts dancing. The disrespect was so potent, I have a vision.
I am sick.
I just had a vision. So in shock right now.
I am sick. Of your disrespect.
Eden, how dare you?
I hate to say it. I hope I don't sound ridiculous. I don't know who this man is. I mean, he could be walking down the street. I wouldn't know a thing.
Oh, wow.
Some women out there, they're like flies.
Yo, Jesus.
When they smell money,
What more can I say? Man knows trigonometry, algebra, econometry, geography, and everything to end with tree.
Judge women like me. You
No,
judged me before you knew me, so
I had a reason. I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I had a reason.
What was the reason?
I just explained the reason.
What was the reason, bitch?
I don't need to explain myself to you. And
What was the reason?
Hello? Call, we run down this ring. Right wrist and left wrist, that's ring. She said, walk on. What's going on? Why am I wet? Can I scream? Call, we run down this ring. Right wrist and left wrist, that's ring. She said, walk on. What's going on? I am quarantined.
What more can I say? Man knows trigonometry, algebra, econometry, geography, and everything to end with tree.
Pull up on the scene, I ain't getting home, nigga, what the hell it mean? Nigga,
3, 2, 1, go.
Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
Are you deaf?
No, you is blind.
I'm not blind, you blind.
That is what I just said.
Shut up! You!
Yes?
Not you, him! What's your name?
He's me, and I'm you.
And I'm about to whoop your old ass, man.
Some of y'all about to be real mad at me.
Wipe, wipe it down. Wipe it down. Wipe.
Pigeon Island when it developed an engine problem and capsized. An alleged eyewitness spoke with our news team.
Me dey on the land and see boat when it a go out. And when the boat a go out, me see say boat nah run good. And me say, oh, them a run the boat so. And when me look, me no see the boat again. All me see one sitting a float a come down, you see. And me have to start shout to the people, man, I say, you see that boat there, turn over, and the people, them are dead.
He says in trying to assist, he encountered some challenges.
If you go out there, hold one eye woman, put him in a boat, cut big stew box, put him in a boat, because if me don't do it, you're not dead. So, yes, sir?
Why you have to box?
Yeah, because him a go drown. If somebody go drown and you know knock him out, you know, you can't see if him in with drown you too, you know.
The small vessel was making a second trip when the mishap occurred. Mr. Warmington, who was already on the island, was removed by a JDF Coast Guard unit.
I was on the island my party, picnic.
And you like what I just said? Well, click the subscribe button for more videos, more entertainment, more bashment, you see me? So like, share, do what you want to do with the video. Alright? Peace.